Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplustudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 2 math, and then click on view all lessons. The lessons we're going to cover today are write addition sentences to describe pictures, ways to make a number using addition, complete the addition sentence up to 2 digits, write the addition sentence up to 2 digits. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 2 math. Let's just start with the lesson. Addition sentence based on the picture. So let's just see. This one complete line has 10 pieces. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. You have 33 blue pieces and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of the pieces are brown. So that is 33 brown orange. 33 plus 6 equals 39. So in total we have 39. We count the pieces. So each row has 10 pieces. So there are 32, 33 blue pieces and 6 orange puzzles. So 33 plus 6 makes 39. Let's just start with the test questions. There are two monkeys in the cage. Two more show up. How many are there in total? So two monkeys are already in the cage. Two more show up. So together they make 2 plus 2 equals 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. So you have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 67 and plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of orange. So 67 plus 5 makes. That is 72. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 67 plus 5 equals 72. This write an addition sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? That is 15 plus 5 equals 20. Option number 3 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? On 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. That is 54 plus 6 equal 60. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. That is 54 plus 9. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 54 plus 9 equals 63. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 15 plus 6 equals 21. Option number 3 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 43 plus 3 is 46. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. The correct option is 33 plus 6 equals 39. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. That is 20 plus 9 equals 29. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is ways to make a number using addition. How do you make 46? You are given three of the options. You have to select which is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. 45 plus 1 equals 46. Option number 1 is the correct. Let's just start with the test questions. Select all the ways to make 61. So which is the correct option? Start with option number 1. Just add and see which is the correct option. That is 58, 59, 60, 61. Option number 1 is the correct option. When you add, they make 61. The second one is 48, 49, 51. The second one makes 51. And the third one is 53 plus 8. 61. So option number A and C makes 61. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is A and C. How do you make 64? Which is the correct option? 62, 63, and 64. You have to make 64. So option number C is the correct option. That is the only option that makes 64. Option C is the correct option. which is not a way to make 71. So you don't have to make 71, right? So option number A is the correct option because that's the only one that makes 70, not 71. So option number A is the correct option. How do you make 83? Eighty-three you have to make, right? Option number A is the correct option. 78 plus 5 is 83. Select all the ways to make 25. Option number 1 is the correct option. A and C is the correct option. Oh, that is only C, not A and C. Sorry. How do you make 48, which is the correct option? Option number B is the correct option. 47 plus 1 makes 48. Very good. Which is not a way to make 89. Not a way to make 89. Option number C is the correct option because A and B are the options that makes 89. So C is not the one to make 89. Select all the ways to make 67. Option number B and C is the correct option. B and C make 67. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is complete the addition sentences up to 2 digits. Fill in the missing number. The missing number plus 18 equals 21. 21 minus 18 equals 3. You have to subtract 18 on the other side. So 21 minus 18 is 3. So the missing number is 3. Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing number. Twelve plus the missing number equals 21. You are given three of the options. You can check them one by one, which is the correct option. So you can start with the first one, 29. 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9 makes 21. So that means that is the correct option. The correct option is option number 1, that is 9. Fill in the missing number. So you are given three of the options. You have to check which one when added to 3 makes 17. 3 when added to 3 makes 20. So that is option number 2. 17 plus 3 makes 20. Very good. The correct option is option number 2. Fill in the missing number. 8 plus what number is 18? That is 8 plus 20 makes 18. You are given three of the options. You have to check them one by one, which is the correct option. So you can start with the first one. You can add 8 and 18. So 18 and 8 makes 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 18 plus 8 makes 26, but we have to make 28. So that isn't the correct option. Now you can check with the second one, that is 8 plus 19. So 8 plus 19 is 27. That is also not the correct one because we need to make 28. So the third one is 8 plus 20. So when you add 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So this 8 makes 28. The correct option is option number C, that is 20. Option number C is the correct option. So you have to see which one number when added to 8 makes 18. So start with the first option, that is 10 plus 8. So 8 plus 10 when added they makes 18. So option number 1 is the correct option. 8 plus 10 makes 18. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8 plus 10 makes 18. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fill in the blank, fill in the missing number. 8 plus what number makes 26? So you have to see which number when added to 8 makes 26. So start with the first one. 8 plus 17. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That is not the correct option because that makes 25. You need to find the one that when added to 8 makes 26. So start with the second one, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Always start adding with a greater number. 18 is greater. So I added 8 to start with 18 and count up to 8. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 18 plus 8 makes 26. That is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. 8 plus 18 makes 26. So when you're working with math, make sure you have your notebook and pencil. Do as many practice questions as you can. Yes, I can see the chat. Fill in the missing number. 24 plus what number equals 26? You have to make 26. So which is the correct option? Start adding with the first one. 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1 is 25. 24 plus 3. So 24 plus 3 makes 24. 25, 26, 27. The correct option is the one that makes 26. So 24 plus 2, 24, 25, 26. So option number C is the correct option. 24 plus 2 makes 26. Option number 2 is C. C is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. You are given the options. You have to try the options. If you still have problem, you can click on the live chat button. Here it is. Tutors are available there to help you. They can guide you properly. The next lesson is write the addition sentences up to 2 digits. Basically, you are given the options. You have to use the options. You are not given with 10 options. You are given 3 or 4 options. The first thing is he must know how to add. You can find the lessons on the YouTube channel. They are already there where that is explained how to add. So if he know how to add, then that would be easy for him. So go through the lesson where he is going to learn how to add the numbers. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is after a forest fire, there are 17 old trees plus 5 baby trees called saplings. How many trees are there overall? So there are 17 old trees, right? Now you have 5 more baby trees, so you need to add 17 plus 5. So 17 plus 5, how do we add? Always start adding with a greater number, like 17 is the greater one, so start with 17 and count up to 5. So that is 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So 17 plus 5 makes 22. So that means now there are 22 trees overall. Got it? So overall trees are 22. Let's just start with the test questions. When Ab painted when Ab painted his house, he used 23 liters of white paint and 6 liters of brown paint. How many liters of paint did Abe use in all? So 23 liters of the white paint and 6 liters of the brown paint you need to add. So 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. The correct option is 29. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. 29 it is. The basketball team lost a game. They scored 18 points, but they needed 5 more points to win. In total, how many points did the team need to win? So 18 points the teams already scored and still they need 5 more. So you need to calculate the total points they need to win. You need to add 18 and 5. Last class? What do you mean by last class? Last class for today or last class for grade 2? That is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 18 plus 5 makes 23. The correct option is option number 3. That is 23. The correct option is option number 3. Leila had a birthday party. 21 girls and one boy from her class came. How many of Leila's classmates were at the party? So which is the correct option? 21 plus 1 makes 22. Option number 2 is the correct option. Add like 10 times. Which one I have to add 10 times? Lee goes on vacation on the European Union. She sends 12 postcards to friends and 4 postcards to family members. How many postcards does she send in all? 12 plus 4, which is the correct option. 12 postcards to friend and 4 to family. So you need to add 12 plus 4 makes 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 16. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 16. A husband and a wife are on the Oregon Trail. Bugs get into their food and ruin 19 cups of wheat and 7 cups of corn meal. How many cups of grain does the couple lose? So you need to add 19 and 7. So 19 plus 7 makes 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 19 plus 7 makes 26. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson today. So we were working on day 2 math. The chapter we were working on is addition. The lessons we have covered today are ways to make a number using addition, complete the addition sentence up to 2 digits, write the addition sentence up to 2 digits. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.